Introducing SuiteAnalytics Workbook.
SuiteAnalytics Workbook is a new analytical tool available in all NetSuite accounts. With it, you can create highly customizable workbooks that combine queries, pivot tables, and charts using a single tool with a new user interface. This interface enables you to author workbooks through actions such as drag and drop editing, and has been designed so that even users with limited knowledge of record schemas and query language can perform complex data mining tasks. SuiteAnalytics Workbook also leverages a new data source designed so that fields are consistently exposed throughout your workbooks. Other features have also been included in SuiteAnalytics Workbook, such as support for multi-level joins, joins to custom records, and support for custom formula fields. To learn more about the features included in SuiteAnalytics Workbook, see the SuiteAnalytics Workbook Overview topic in the Help Center. By default, SuiteAnalytics Workbook is enabled in all NetSuite accounts. To access the tool and open the Workbook listing page, click the Analytics option in the NetSuite navigation menu. From here, you can create a new workbook, access the SuiteAnalytics Workbook help documentation, or provide feedback. When you're ready to begin, click New Workbook. You are presented with a list of available record types based on your NetSuite permissions and the features enabled in your account. Choose a record type to start. The SuiteAnalytics Workbook Data tab appears. To define your workbook source data, add fields from the fields list on the left to the data grid on the right. You can also create custom formula fields to include in your workbook source data. To join a related record type to your workbook, click the Join Record icon. If joining record types is a new concept for you, there are certain guidelines you should follow. To learn more, see the Help Center topic, Guidelines for Joining Record Types in SuiteAnalytics Workbook. After you've added all the desired fields to your workbook, you can refine your source data by creating filter conditions on the Criteria tab. To create filter conditions, drag fields from the fields list to the builder, then set the specific filter conditions for each field. You can create filters based on record fields or custom formula fields you set up for the workbook. You can also create groups of filters and change the logic used to connect each filter. For more information, see the Help Center topic, Workbook Criteria Filters. With your source data in place, the Pivot tab enables you to pivot the data to generate a pivot table. To build your table, click the Add Pivot link. On the Pivot tab, drag fields from the fields list to the Layout panel and click Refresh. You can also add totals and grand totals, format the values that are shown in the table, and adjust the size of the table columns and rows. You can even filter the values displayed in your table using the filter field above the table viewer. For more information about workbook pivot tables, see the Help Center topic, Workbook Pivot Tables. To create a chart using your workbook source data, click Add Chart. To build your chart, drag fields from the fields list to the Layout panel, then click Refresh, similar to the Pivot tab. There are multiple chart types you can produce and some formatting options for you to add labels and titles to your chart. You can even add workbook-based charts to the Analytics portlet on any NetSuite dashboard. To learn more, see the Help Center topic, Workbook Charts. To save or share your workbook at any point during the authoring process, click the menu icon and select Share Workbook. Shared workbooks include any selections made on the Data tab, Criteria tab, Pivot tab, and Chart tab, enabling other users to continue work where you left off. We hope you enjoy trying SuiteAnalytics Workbook, and we look forward to hearing your feedback. To share your thoughts with us, click the Give Feedback link on any page in the tool, or send us an email at SuiteAnalytics@netsuite.com. If you encounter issues, we encourage you to check the Help Center documentation. However, if there are items that you cannot resolve on your own, you can contact customer support through the normal channels. Thanks for watching.